All right, well, we are live. So, hi, I'm Rachel. I am one of the 3 co-founders of Chthonic Software. We're a small alt-tech startup in Calgary, Alberta. And today I'm super excited to be giving you a live demo of Entropy. Entropy is our platform of streaming tools. With Entropy, streamers can take viewer interaction beyond the chat box with live polls, questions, reaction tracking, donation tracking, and now our newly introduced Callin's feature, which we'll be showing you in just a second. So without further ado, actually, let's jump into Entropy. Okay, here I am. Here's the screen now. You should see this is what as a streamer, this is what my screen looks like in Entropy. So I can see actually there's some people already in there. So David's in here. Hi, David. Katrine's in here already. Hey, you guys. And yeah, so in Entropy, you'll notice here in the chat box that actually my 2 chats that I sent on YouTube are also in the Entropy chat. So for those of you who don't already know, Emmanuel and David are the 2 other co-founders of Chthonic Software, and Emmanuel is my husband. And okay, so let's create a poll. I just want to find out what is your favorite, I'm going to spell favorite the American way. What is your favorite feature in Entropy? Okay, and there's the poll, so you guys can answer the poll at your leisure. Okay, it looks like so far the poll is divided between pulse and calls. Okay, and somebody likes polls as well. Polls is pretty cool. I like how colorful it is. Calls are now open. Hey, Kent. Hey, Jesse. Oh, hi, Andrew. Hey, you guys. Okay, let's see here. We've got Emmanuel with 3 upvotes. All right, he's pretty popular. He says, is it better to call in or just shout at you from across the room? Sweetie, in this case, it's better just to call in. Although, actually, no, it's not, because I think my mic will probably pick up you talking, and it'll make things crazy because you're literally 5 feet away from me. David's mic doesn't work anyway, though, so I couldn't really call him if I wanted to. Also, he's 5 feet away from me as well, so I probably shouldn't. If you guys have, like, specific questions of, like, something going wrong or question about the feature or whatever, comment in the questions instead of just in the chat so that I can actually see it. And if somebody else has the same concern, they can upvote it. The result of the poll seems to be that calls is everybody's favorite feature. Well, come on, you guys. Where are your call requests if it's your favorite feature? So here we go. Calling Andrew. Let's see if that's connecting. Okay. Andrew? Hello? It seems to think you're connected, but I'm not hearing anything. Oh, of course I'm not hearing anything. I don't have my headphones in. Ugh. Okay. Hi, Andrew. Hi, our first person to test Callins. This is so exciting.
So now everyone else on this whole thing can hear me. Yeah, okay.
Yes, they can.
So when I'm live here, and now
Yes.
I didn't notice this before. It's got, the little circle, so if I had a picture, it would be there. It says my name. It might be nice to actually say you're live, or you're streaming, or you're live, I think would be best. And then when I click off to say you're done.
Okay.
So the chat stopped working at exactly the time I made a donation for me.
Oh, interesting. Okay. That's good to know. Okay, so you were trying to do a super chat. Okay. We recently implemented a new like a check for banned words, and we kind of implemented that into super chats as well. So if you do a paid chat and so it might be something to do with like it picked up a word that it had an issue with or something and freaked out. So
I didn't actually say any words whatsoever. I didn't type a message. I just
you didn't even type a message at all. Okay. Well, that might have caused the error because maybe it's expecting text so that it can examine the text and like make sure there's no banned words in it. And you gave it null. Like you didn't give it a message at all. I bet that's what it is. It's a null error. Yeah.
Okay, as long as it's a null error and not donate. If donate's a banned word, you're in trouble.
No, no, donate is not a banned word. It's probably because you didn't put a message at all, and we had not checked for that case, which is our bad. So, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, it'll be fixed soon.
Yeah,
okay.
We'll fix soon. We will fix that soon. Thank you so much for calling in. It was wonderful to talk to you.
Okay, go on to the next caller. I see some other people trying.
Bye-bye. Hey, we got a call request from Elliot. All right, Elliot, I'm calling you. Be prepared. Hey, Elliot.
Hey, Rachel.
Hey! Oh, that's so exciting. Okay. Well, talk to me, Elliot. Tell me what was your Saturday like?
It's been pretty relaxed. I'm kind of feeling sick.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
I know. No, it's okay. It's not your fault. So yeah, I saw the button and it works well for me. I don't know. It did ask me right away if I wanted to allow my microphone. So something else that I find going on, like it is a little off timing. So I've actually paused the stream, but I can still talk.
So don't pause the stream, just mute it. I was explaining this before, like it's just the nature of the delay in YouTube. And that's just what it's like for anybody live streaming on YouTube. That's not us. And one thing we could do is try to delay Entropy to the degree that YouTube is delayed so that people don't notice the delay as much. But that's the reason.
It used to be like that for radio too. Like if you called into like a radio, Yeah. Okay, Rachel, I'm going to let someone else maybe hopefully try to request a call.
Sure.
Is that okay?
All right. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for calling in, Elliot. Thanks.
Yeah, no, thanks for picking up.
Okay. Oh, we have a call request. I would like verbal coaching on why your video is so small on my screen. Okay, great. All right. Calling Mom. Here we go. Hi, Mom. Great.
Okay. So... this is lovely. I'm having a hard time though with your video of you because you are just so small, and I've got a whole miniature of.
Yes. The reason my video is so small and you're seeing a double of Entropy is because I'm sharing my screen, so I'm showing you what I see as a streamer in Entropy. So here, for example, if I were to just transition and only show my face and no longer show what's happening in Entropy, you would just see me, and it'll be bigger for you. Well, I'm going to share my screen again there. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, this is fun. Okay.
All right. Talk to you later. And we've got some super chats in there as well, so I'm going to go through and read them like a good, responsible person that I am. So it says, testing, does this work? Hi, Jesse. Yes, it does work. Thank you so much. And then Andrew says, this is not a banned word. Very good. Okay, so while I'm looking at chats, I'm going to show off another feature that we have here. Here's our donations tab. So I just have it here. So we're at a point now in Entropy where we have so many widgets that they don't all fit on the screen very nicely anymore. So let's say if I hid polls, because I don't really care about polls right now. And there we go. So this is what it looks like. You can track your donations. It shows, it totals it for you. It shows you the breakdown between US currency and Canadian currency. Those are the two currencies we support for now. And there it is. It displays them there. And now, for instance, I've read Andrew's super chat. So he says, this is not a banned word. And so now I could just exit out and it would hide that one because I've read it already. Here we go. Okay, I guess, actually, I do have another. I'm going to hide donations. I'm going to open polls again. So we have it. Entropy, everything in Entropy is very customizable. So right now I'm just using our our default template with these colors, but as a streamer, when you're setting up, you could actually change the colors and the font colors of every one of these widgets. You can also, at any time, change the size and positioning of all the widgets, or you can just hide them like I've done before if they're in your way. And viewers can also play around with this. We got another super chat from David saying, thank you, Dankula, for your service. If only Dankula was watching. If only he was. Okay, so here's my next poll, and I want to ask, are you too scared to call in? Question mark. It's probably a terrible poll. I apologize. Yes. No. I don't know how. There you go. There's your new poll, you guys. All right. Oh, hey! There she is. Let's call Katrine. All right.
there, Boo. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can also hear myself back at me. You need to pause the video. Or not pause it, but mute it. There. Better?
Yeah, that's better.
Awesome. Okay. Well, you said, your pitch said, ask me anything. So, ask you anything. Ugh. Puts me on the spot.
It's because I was too shy to come up with something interesting to talk about.
Oh, is that why you didn't submit a call request?
Yeah.
I see. Okay. But you should, like, I called people when they literally just said, call me.
Yeah,
So,
it's true.
come along now, my dear. Let's not be shy. So are you the one who clicked yes on my poll of are you scared to send in a call-in?
Oh, no, I haven't yet, but I will.
Oh, I see it. Okay, well,
Yeah.
ask you anything. Oh, I gotta think of what to ask you. Okay, oh, I should have moved my camera there. Okay, what do you think of my custom shelving unit? Yeah.
It's beautiful. I think, honestly, you got a really great deal on it, looking at how you were able to get someone to custom make it for you for a pretty good price.
Yeah.
Very proud.
I'm very proud. I'm very proud. And for those watching, by the way, Katrina's my sister, so this is why she knows. Okay. All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for helping us test Entropy. It was really exciting to be able to test with you all live. And thank you so much for everyone who called in and helped us test our new feature. And please, if you would like to follow along with the life of a startup and are interested in getting updates from us, please connect with us on Twitter. We also have a Facebook page, and we'll be putting updates. That's where you can get in touch and find out when the next live testing session will be. And please, if you know any streamers that you think could use Entropy, we'd love to hear from them. We'd love to hear from you. Any feedback you have, and if you've already given us feedback and you don't see the changes in Entropy yet, rest assured that it is on our list. In the description of this video on YouTube, I've included our Twitter handle and our Facebook page. We'd love to hear from you all, and thank you so much for helping us test. This has been a blast.